Hello class 2, how are you? Fine. So class 2, I welcome you to this session of English course book, and now today we are going to start a new chapter from your English course book. Before starting the class, write your name in the discussion box. Okay, the story that I am going to start today is very interesting and lengthy too. Interesting भी है और lengthy भी है. So you have to keep patience till the end of the story. And this story has many new words for you. Okay, the story has many new words for you. You will get to learn many things today. Okay. You will enjoy the story as well as you will learn many new words. Okay. So, first of all, let me tell you on whom this story is about. This story is about a monkey. The story is about a monkey who was very naughty. That monkey was very naughty, and this story is written by Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond. As I have told you earlier also, the person who writes a story is called a story writer or an author, and the person who writes poem is called poet. Okay, so the writer of this or the author of this story is Ruskin Bond. Okay, and he was an Indian children's author. Means Ruskin Bond wrote a lot of story for children. And about this story, the story is about a monkey whose name is Toto. Whose name is Toto, and he is a very mischievous little character. Mischievous मतलब जो हमेशा बदमाशी करता है, जो मिनट पे बदमाशी करता है, जो सेकंड में बदमाशी करता है. Okay, he was a mischievous little creature. जब एक फैमिली में आया तो फैमिली में उसने क्या-क्या किया. This story is all about Toto the monkey. Okay, what he did in the family when he joined a new family. What did he do? So, class 2, while reading the story, you also have to answer me. The best way to understand the story is to comprehend. Comprehend का मतलब होता है, if suppose the teacher is or anybody is telling you a story, he or she will ask you a question in between and you have to answer. थोड़े explanation के बाद मैम आपसे question करेगी और आपको अगर answer पता है either in Hindi, then I will get to know that you are understanding the story. Okay, so we are going today on a comprehension. We are opting the method of comprehension for this storytelling. Okay, actually this is reading and explanation, but I will ask you questions in between. So, this story starts with the name of grandfather. Okay, in a family, grandfather was a character. Okay, is a character in the story, and the story is like, open page number 33 if you want to read it. Grandfather bought Toto from a Tonga driver. Now, what is a Tonga driver? Here, there is a character grandfather. The character is grandfather घोड़ा गाड़ी. Okay, so grandfather got Toto. Grandfather ने टोंगा ड्राइवर से टोटो को खरीदा. Okay, now question number 1 is, I am comprehending with you that who bought Toto from a Tonga driver? Who bought Toto from a Tonga driver? So the answer is grandfather bought Toto from a Tonga driver. The question was, who bought Toto from a Tonga driver? So the answer is grandfather bought Toto from a Tonga driver. And do you know how much money grandfather gave to Tonga driver? Only 5 rupees. So grandfather bought Toto from a Tonga driver with a sum of 5 rupees. सिर्फ 5 rupees में grandfather ने टोटो को एक टोंगा ड्राइवर से खरीदा था. Okay, now the Tonga driver used to keep the little red monkey tied to a feeding trough. Okay, so what was the Tonga driver doing earlier? वो मंकी को किस तरह से रखता था? वो मंकी को बांध कर रखता था. Okay, it was tied to a feeding trough. एक खाने का उसके पास बाल्टी था, उसके साथ और bucket or something like, it was like a dish to be served food. Okay, he was always tied, the monkey Toto was always tied to a feeding trough, and the monkey looked so out of place there that grandfather decided he would add the little fellow to his private zoo. And when grandfather saw Toto tied with a feeding trough, as Toto was tied to a feeding trough, grandfather saw him and he thought that he is looking out of scene. Means इसे यहाँ नहीं होना चाहिए. ग्रैंडफादर ने ये सोचा, इस मंकी को यहाँ नहीं होना चाहिए, इसे मैं लेकर जाता हूँ. अब ग्रैंडफादर ने ऐसा क्यों सोचा कि ये इसे यहाँ नहीं रहना चाहिए, इसे मैं लेकर जाता हूँ? Because grandfather was very fond of animals. Grandfather was very fond of animals. To be fond of means to like to do any particular thing. Like I am fond of painting. मुझे painting करना बहुत पसंद है. Somebody is fond of cooking. किसी को बहुत cooking करना पसंद है. Likewise, grandfather was fond of keeping animals, and that's why he has told it that monkey looked so out of place that grandfather decided he would add the little fellow to his private zoo. अपने private zoo में रखेंगे. Private zoo, do you know what is a zoo? Zoo is a place where many animals are kept. That means grandfather also had kept many animals at his home or at his place. Okay, now here in the next paragraph, Toto's description is given. That how was Toto? Now we are going to read about how was Toto or how did he look. Toto कैसा दिखता था, that we are going to know. So I am writing here Toto. Who is Toto? Or who was Toto? Toto was a monkey. And in the beginning of the story, I had told you that Toto was a mischievous monkey. And we are going to know the description of Toto through this paragraph, the second paragraph. Toto was a pretty monkey. The first thing that the story tells us about the Toto is, Toto was a pretty monkey. His bright eyes sparkled with mischief. So So Toto was a pretty monkey and he had bright eyes. टोटो एक प्रेटी मंकी था, लेकिन उसकी आंखों में हमेशा शरारत रहती थी. ओके, ही वॉज सो नॉटी, ही लुक्ड सो नॉटी. उसकी आंखों में हमेशा शरारत रहती थी, इतनी शरारत रहती थी कि हम उसे फैमिली मेंबर्स बता नहीं सकते थे कि वो नेक्स्ट मोमेंट में क्या करने वाला है. सो हियर इट इज गिवन, टोटो वॉज अ प्रेटी मंकी, हिज ब्राइट आईज स्पार्कल्ड विद मिस्चीफ. उसकी आंखों में शरारत भरी थी. Deep set eyebrows. His eyebrows were deep set. Like we have this kind of eyebrows. Here, his eyebrows were deep set like this. Okay. So he had deep set eyebrows. Toto had deep set eyebrows. So what is the description is still now? Toto was a pretty monkey. He had bright eyes which was filled with mischiefs, and he had deep set eyebrows, and his teeth which were a pearly white, and he had pearly white teeth. उसके दांत मोतियों की तरह चमकते थे. Pearly white teeth that looked often. जब वो शरारत में हंसता था तो कभी कभी उसके दांत दिखते थे, और वो कैसे चमकते थे? It shine like pearl. Okay, so here it is given, which were a pearly white, were very often displayed in a smile that frightened the life out of elderly Anglo-Indian ladies. लेकिन जब वो हंसता था तो सभी लोग परेशान हो जाते थे. But his hands looked dried up. उसके जो hands थे ना, एकदम dried up थे. Dried up मतलब like it was like जैसे एक wood का पीस सूख जाता है तो कैसा दिखता है, जब वो ड्राई हो जाता है तो वैसे ही उसके hands क्या दिखते थे? Dried up, as though had been pickled in the sun for many years. Like something is pickled, like कोई वेजिटेबल या फ्रूट को जब हम कट करके उसकी पिकल बनाने के लिए रखते हैं तो वो कैसा सूख कर हो जाता है? चिप्स जैसा. Likewise, his hands were looking. So his hands, both his hands looked dried up as though they had been pickled in the sun for many years. Yet his fingers were quick and wicked. लेकिन उसकी उंगलियां क्या थी? बहुत क्विक थी और विकेट थी. ओके, सो his fingers were quick and wicked. Quick and wicked. Quick means fast and wicked means शरारती. That means उसकी आंखों में भी शरारत थी और उसके उंगलियों में भी शरारत थी. His fingers were quick and wicked, and his tail, while adding to his good looks. Okay, this is the description given by grandfather, that grandfather was thinking that his tail, the monkey's tail, जो monkey का tail था, वो उसके looks को और बढ़ाता था. As grandfather was thinking it, that grandfather believed a tail would add to anyone's good looks, also served as a third hand. And a monkey's tail, क्या होता है monkey का tail? वो अपने दोनों हाथों को तो यूज करता ही है, साथ ही साथ वो tail को भी एक हाथ की तरह यूज कर सकता है. How? He could use it to hang from a branch, and it was capable of scooping up any delicacy that might be out of reach of his hands. और उसकी जो पूंछ है ना, उससे हमेशा हेल्प करती है मंकी की. वो ब्रांच में पूंछ के हेल्प से लटक सकता है. ओके, ये हैंग हो सकता है, और जो चीज़ उसके हाथ तक नहीं पहुंचती है वो उसे अपनी टेल से वहां तक पहुंच सकता है। Oh my God, grandmother always first। अब जिस फैमिली में ग्रैंडफादर टोटो को लेकर आए थे वहां पर एक ग्रैंडमदर भी थी जो हमेशा चिढ़ जाती थी जब भी ग्रैंडफादर एक नया एनिमल लेकर आते थे। ओके, ग्रैंडमदर ऑलवेज फर्स्ट व्हेन ग्रैंडफादर बॉट होम some new bird or animal, so it was decided that Toto's present should be kept a secret from her until she was in a particularly good mood। तो क्योंकि ग्रैंडफादर को तो पहले से पता था कि अगर मैं किसी भी एनिमल को, बर्ड को घर लेकर जाऊंगा तो ग्रैंडमदर गुस्सा होगी, isn't it? So उन्होंने सोचा कि टोटो जो मैं घर लेके जा रहा हूँ उससे सीक्रेट रखा जाए ग्रैंडमदर से, और उन्हें तब बताया जाए जब उनका मूड कुछ अच्छा हो। और टोटो को घर में छुपाने के लिए ग्रैंडफादर को फैमिली मेंबर्स ने हेल्प किया। लेट अस नो हु हेल्प ग्रैंडफादर इन हाइडिंग टोटो। Grandfather and I. So here I, who is I? The writer. And who is the writer? Writer is Ruskin Bond. That means Ruskin Bond is saying that grandfather and I, मेरे grandfather और मैंने put him away in a little closet opening into my bedroom wall where he was tied securely. एंड जो रस्किन बॉन्ड जो राइटर है उनके बेडरूम से एक क्लोसेट था, उसका थोड़ा सा एक छोटा सा डोर था। उस डोर को उन्होंने ओपन किया और उसके अंदर एक छोटा सा जो क्लोसेट था उसमें मंकी को टाई कर दिया। क्यों? ताकि मंकी उसमें छुपा हुआ रहे और ग्रैंड मदर को पता भी नहीं चले कि ग्रैंडफादर ने एक नया एनिमल लाया है। So grandfather and I put him away in a little closet opening into my room wall where he was tied securely, and so we thought to a peg fastened into a wall। और टोटो को कहाँ बांधा था पता है? जो क्लोसेट था, क्लोसेट रूम के अंदर क्लोसेट था और क्लोसेट का जो वॉल था उस पे एक नेल पेग था। ओके, उस पेग में एक रस्सी से या फिर कहो कि एक चेन से उन्होंने टोटो को बांधा था। उन्होंने ये सोचा कि हमने तो टोटो को बांध कर रखा है। ओके, नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड नेक्स्ट मोमेंट, जो वो सोच भी नहीं सकते थे वही हुआ। फ्यू आवर्स लेटर व्हेन ग्रैंडफादर एंड आई केम बैक टू रिलीज टोटो, और थोड़े घंटे बाद जब ग्रैंडफादर एंड आई मतलब कि ग्रैंडफादर एंड ऑथर ने ये सोचा कि चलो टोटो को वहां से बाहर निकालते हैं। We found that the walls, which had been covered with some ornamental paper chosen by grandfather, now stood out as a naked brick, and plaster, the peg in the wall, had been wrenched from its socket. And my school blazer, which had been hanging there, was in shreds. I wondered what grandmother would say, but grandfather didn't worry. He seemed pleased with Toto's performance. He's clever, said grandfather. Given time, I am sure he could have tied the torn pieces of your blazer into a rope and made his escape from the window। अब जब ग्रैंडफादर एंड ऑथर रूम के अंदर पहुंचे, क्लोसेट के अंदर पहुंचे कि अब टोटो को हम रिलीज करेंगे, तो देखते क्या है कि जो क्लोसेट का वॉल था उसमें कुछ ऑर्नामेंटल पेपर्स लगे हुए थे। ऑर्नामेंटल पेपर्स मीन्स दैट मीन्स से वॉलपेपर। ओके, टोटो ने सबको निकाल दिया था। ठीक है, टोटो ने सबको निकाल दिया था और जिस पेग से वो बंधा हुआ था, दैट मीन्स जिस कीले से या नेल से वो बंधा हुआ था, उस नेल को भी उसने वॉल से बाहर निकाल दिया था और उसी वॉल पे एक पेग पे ऑथर का ब्लेजर टंगा हुआ था, उसने उसे भी फाड़ कर रख दिया था। ओके, इट what did he do? The author is saying that my school brazier which had been hanging there was in shreds. यानी कि उसके टुकड़े टुकड़े कर दिए थे उसने. But the grandfather was not worried at all. Grandfather तो उसको देखकर सिर्फ स्माइल कर रहे थे. Okay, and he was saying that this monkey is very clever. ये बहुत क्लेवर मंकी है. अगर हम थोड़ी देर और करते तो शायद इसने जो ब्लेजर्स के पीसेस किए हैं उनको जोड़कर ये एक रोप बना लेता और खिड़की से बाहर कूद जाता. Okay. His presence in the house still a secret, Toto was now transferred to a big cage in the servants' quarter where a number of grandfather's pets lived very sociable together. A tortoise, a pair of rabbits, a tame squirrel, and for a while my pet goat, but the monkey wouldn't allow any of his companions to sleep at night. So here, after this incident also, grandfather was keeping Toto and he transferred Toto where? To a big cage in the servants' quarter. उनके घर में ही servants' quarter थे. जिस grandfather ने क्या किया, उसको वहाँ पर ट्रांसफर कर दिया जहाँ और भी animals रहते थे. लेकिन टोटो ने किसी भी एनिमल को चैन से रहने नहीं दिया. What were the animals? Here it is given that grandfather's pets lived very sociably. Okay, sociably means बहुत मिलजुल कर रहते थे. And the animals were a tortoise, a pair of rabbits, a tame squirrel, and a pet goat. There were 4 kinds of animals. Who were there? Count with me. A tortoise, a pair of rabbits, a tame squirrel, pet goat, and the monkey was the 5th one. But the monkey would not allow any of his companions to sleep at night. और किसी को भी उसने वहाँ पर सोने नहीं दिया. So this was the story class 2. Okay, till now what you have learnt, I will ask you some questions on it, and the next part of the story I will see you in the next part. Okay, so some questions are: who was Toto? Who was Toto? This is just oral questions. Who was Toto? What can you say about Toto? Toto was a mischievous monkey. Who bought Toto from a Tonga driver? Who bought Toto from a Tonga driver? So the answer is grandfather bought Toto from a Tonga driver. Question number 3 is: how much did grandfather, here grandfather has been written with capital G in the story. Why? Because grandfather is a character, and every character is a special name. That's why here G is capital. How much did grandfather pay for Toto? टोटो को खरीदने के लिए ग्रैंडफादर ने कितना पे किया था? So the answer is grandfather paid ₹5 for Toto. Grandfather paid ₹5 for Toto. My question number 4 is, what kind of a monkey was Toto? You can give the same answer as we have given for 1. What kind of a monkey was Toto? So, answer is Toto was a mischievous monkey. Okay. Question number 5 is, this is the last question. Question number 5 is, did grandmother like if grandfather brought any new animals to her house? These are just oral questions. The question is big enough, isn't it? Like the story. Did grandmother like if grandfather brought any new animal to their house? क्या grandmother को पसंद था जब grandfather कोई भी नया animal घर लाते थे? So the answer is no. No. So the answer is no. Grandmother did not like if grandfather brought any new animal to the house. So as the lesson is very big, it is impossible to complete it in the single part. So we will complete the story in the next part. Till now, class 2, till then, class 2, have a nice day. Bye bye.